welcome to our DSIM 2026 A release webinar. So here's the table of contents for today's talk. Let's first take a quick look at some of the key trends shaping power electronics today. With that being said, let's start looking at our solution to solve large and complex problems in power electronics simulations. And in addition, DSIM has been deployed in over 19 countries in the world, covering power systems, electric traction, renewable energy, and more. And now let's move on to the second part of our talk. What performance does DSIM deliver? And how does it do it? And the first key component is the path model. And next, let's talk about how we actually run the map. And now let me show you what's inside DSIM in terms of the element library and building examples. And let me just walk you through a few more slides on key features of DSIM.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. Here in our agenda for today, we divided the presentation into 4 sections. DSIM 2026A now supports the Python API. How does the DSIM Python API work under the hood? So why will you use the DSIM Python API? It boils down to 3 core values. Then I will demonstrating how to drive DSIM circuit simulation through Python scripts using the DSIM API. We prepared 2 sets of demonstrations. Okay, here is the first set. There are 3 examples here. Example 1 is basic simulation workflow with standard polling, and example 2 parameter modification and callback driven completion, and example 3 waveform data retrieve and multi-channel plotting. And then we will go to another one, which means LCL3, and beyond the SHI, we will also address the long-standing pain point for our advanced user by introducing a brand new compiler for the CBlock. This brings 2 major improvements. First, performance improvement, and second, better error identification. Then I will take a moment to showcase our new CBlock feature directly within the DSIM. This example will showcase how DSIM helps to find and fix C-code errors within a CBlock, covering undefined variables, function reference errors, and syntax issues. Alongside our powerful compute engine, we also introduce more friendly features such as semantic editor. We believe this work will be a powerful and reliable tool to your research and development journey. If you have any technical question after the session, you can scan the QR code on screen to follow our LinkedIn or YouTube, or visit our website if you want to get some technical resource, and or just email us directly.